Welcome to the gravel capital of the Philippines, the home of Nueva Ecija Unrestricted. This coming February 22, merong gravel race sa Nueva Ecija, the famous Nueva Ecija Unrestricted Gravel Race. So in this video, isi-share ko sa inyo yung ilang mga sections, yung mga crucial parts or mga gravel sector ng Nueva Ecija Unrestricted. Kasama natin sa ride na to si Simon Taylor and of course Par Policarpio, Sir John, and the other Nueva Ecija riders as well. So, sit back, enjoy, relax, panoorin nyo ang video ito, tiyak magugustuhan nyo. Let's go! Oo nga pala guys, wala namang masyadong technical doon sa 120 kilometers and also doon sa 60 kilometers. Hindi ko lang alam doon sa 240 kasi I'm not racing the 240. So this video is particularly for the 120 at madadaanan din yung ibang mga sections ng 60 kilometers. So ang masasabi ko lang naman, hindi naman masyadong technical yung ruta. I think you can get away with 700 by 40C or 700 by 45C tires kung nagtatanong kayo kung ano yung optimal tires. Bahala na po kayo, discard nyo na yan. Pero you can get away with 40 or 45 I think. At okay naman yung ruta. Pero syempre magdidepende pa rin yan doon sa magiging weather natin mga kapadya. Ganda talaga ng ruta nyo. Ganda talaga rito.
Like that paddling.
I'm loving it.
Less fatigue.
Yeah, I'm loving it. It's been a couple of years I think that I'm on a 165.
Less fatigue, same or better numbers.
Less fatigue, better on the cadence.
Slower. Slower.
Faster.
Faster cadence.
Yeah.
I think that powers me out.
Simon eh.
Right.
Okay guys, eto ang isang crucial section, yung river crossing. Nakita nyo naman yung ilang mga videos ng mga nakasama natin. They go through this side of the river, pero me and Simon, sumablay kami kasi we did not carry lots of momentum. So you have to get your momentum and be careful lang dun sa little descent bago yung river crossing. Dapat pala hindi tayo minto.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead. with everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement.
Kabisado na mukhang kahit walang mapa, makakatapos kayo ng karera eh.
I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
Hi, on. Welcome to Ola. Place where legends are made.
Okay guys, itong pinuntahan namin na ito, madadaanan ito ng 60 kilometers. Sa 120 kilometers, hindi kasama to. Kaya kami nandito kasi gusto lang namin i-side trip para maipakita din namin sa inyo yung ganda nitong Aulo Dam. Aulo Dam, Palayan City, Nueva Ecija. Okay guys, this section is a bit technical. Hindi naman pa rin siya talagang technical na technical. Pero kaya ko sinasabing a bit technical kasi meron siyang fast descent, tapos merong mga climbs, tapos biglang merong mga liko. Alam ko yung mga nag-race nung unang-unang attack unrestricted, lalo na yung mga nag-240 noon, nadaanan nito. So everybody na nag-race noon, this is a bit familiar. Pero syempre, ingat pa rin dahil medyo mabato tapos may mga biglang lusong tsaka may mga konting ahon.
Shout out, Nathan!
They're doing the Boy Scout camp in the Philippines.
Oh, okay.
With thousands of starters. Here's more. Welcome to the North, Edwin.
Edwin! Malaya, no?
20k in the road.
Yeah.
Get us to Rizal then. Tailwind all the way.
Simon! This is where we met!
Panga River, oh. Piniginaw kami, malamig pa rin. Idulugaw. Back to the original route of 120 kilometers. Bali, kung nakapag-race ka naman talaga dito sa Nueva Ecija o nakapag-ride ka na sa Nueva Ecija, there's nothing to worry. Kasi almost all is flat dun sa 120 as well as dun sa 60 kilometers. Ewan ko lang dun sa 240, di ko na inaral yung ruta kasi bahala na sila doon. And yun nga, napaka-smooth ng gravel dito sa Nueva Ecija. At syempre, merong mga konting section gaya nung papuntang Palayan City, Nueva Ecija. Medyo malalaki o chunky yung ibang part ng off-road doon. Pero all in all, okay naman yung ruta. Pero ganun pa man, magdidepende pa rin ito doon sa magiging weather. Some parts of this ay ginamit din ng monsoon. Worse talaga yung ruta noon because of the weather. Pero kung tuyo ito, okay na okay yung ruta natin ngayon. Ang masasabi ko, napakaganda talaga mag-ride dito sa Nueva Ecija. Ang ganda-ganda talaga nung gravel nila. Kaya, for me, para sa akin lang naman, no, tama siyang tawaging the gravel capital of the Philippines.
That car was huge!
Massive, eh?
Yeah!
Reminds me of my old good old friend.
These are the gravel roads of Nueva Ecija. The best in the Philippines.
The last 10k will take us longer than today.
This is the gravel highway. That's the gravel housing. Home stretch.
Grab our bags and go in Morada so we walk in.
Woo!
Let's get our car. Drive the car there in front. I think I passed the finish line first.
The bikes, the shoes,
Oh, how you like it?
all messed up.
Dirty bike's a happy bike.
Thank God. No riding tricycle, no carrying bikes. Successful track lead.
No hiking.
No hiking. Let's try the slurp for maximum of flavor. Dunk it to the broth and then we do the slurp.
Slurp test. Oh, you're joking there.
That's how you eat the ramen.
Really?
You have to do the slurp.